so beautiful. Don't touch that.
I wasn't gonna touch nothing, yo.
So, Cyborg, how much power does the cannon have? Well, it's got 54 giga. I said do not touch that!
I wasn't. Yeah, you were. You got me, Mama. I was gonna touch it. You know how cats be. Please, you boy, fight your animal urges for once. All right. Don't touch anything.
What's he putting in there?
Popcorn. Just share with myself.
Sorry, what happened again?
What happened?
I'm pretty much guilty, though. But don't worry, I played all the blood drops.
You're blood?
Wait, please open. Oh, come on, take your blood.
After you almost
Kill them. Yeah, sorry about that.
just couldn't resist your animal urges, Beast Boy. I am so mad at you. No. No. Beast Boy's blood must have given us the power to turn into animals.
I used to turn into animals. Oh, I found the adorable.
They're crashing. Ah, this is so cool. You remember, I we can be animals. We just didn't become them. Whatever. I just want to turn into a tiny dog. Breakfast ready! What smells so good? Not that smell. That smell. Well, bring that blood all over here so I can get that. Oh, yeah, got it. Okay. Good volcano on their side. Ooh, is that a hint of meatball?
Not bad.
Woo! Now I can spit blood all day!
What? Stop it sniffing butts. Check this out.
Food is ready.
Okay, Noah. You don't have to tell
We
me.
got that